In this video, we'll show you how to play online in FC26. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. FC26 has many ways to play online with random players and friends. Let me walk you through all the main online modes available. The first one is Seasons. Here you can pick any team and play online against random players. You rank up as you win more matches and climb through divisions. Select Play Match, choose your team, then select Search to find an opponent and play. You can also play online friendlies. From the main menu, select online friendlies and create a friendly match. You can invite your friend or play against a random player. Now, if you want to team up with a friend, try a co-op season. From the main menu, select co-op seasons and create or load a season. Alright, the next one is Ultimate Team. This is where you build your own custom squad with your favorite players and compete online. Select Ultimate Team to enter and go to the play section. Now here you can play Rush, which is a 5v5 fast-paced mode. You can also play Rivals, where you use your full Ultimate Team squad competitively against random player. You can also play Friendlies using your Ultimate Team squad. Select Friendlies and invite a friend or play against random players. Alright, the next game mode you can try is Clubs. You can create your own virtual pro player and join or create a club. You'll play 11v11 matches with other real players online.